Hey guys, Desmond Ong here. Look at the absolutely gorgeous weather today. It's super sunny here, and that means it's a good time to be taking a dip in the pool. But before I do just that, I actually got a message from one of my students, and he was saying that, hey Desmond, I was wondering if you could show me how is it possible that emergency conditions can create so much money in so little time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna run a campaign right now. I'm gonna set up a brand new campaign right before I get dipped in the pool, okay? And it will take me about 10 to 20 minutes. I think it'll be less, but we will see. So what I need to do is actually, because I am in this swimming pool area and they don't have Wi-Fi, and all I need to do is I just need to turn on hotspot on my phone right here. So literally hotspot right now. Okay, I just need to turn this on and I can use my phone's internet and be able to access and do some work right here while facing this amazing, gorgeous view. Okay, so I'm gonna film myself doing the work. Now before that, let me just turn on the hotspot. Okay, just like that, just one little tap here and we are good to go. Okay guys, I gotta show you guys something. So for the purpose of this case study, I've created a brand new JVZoo account. I hope that you guys can see it. It's a little bit sunny here. Today we have 0 gross revenue, 0 earnings, 0 clicks, 0 visitors, and 0 sales. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna set the account up and it will pretty much do a lot of the work by itself. I just want to set it up once and it will run the campaign by itself. And it will need about 10 to 20 minutes for the campaign to mature. So what I'll be doing is that I'll be heading down to that pool right there. I'm gonna take a little quick dip because the sun is out and the weather is brilliant. The view is amazing. You can actually see the Twin Towers from here. I'm not sure if you can see that in the camera. So I'm gonna set up a campaign now and hopefully we see some results soon. Okay, so the campaign has been set up. It's time to actually go into the pool and take a quick dip. I'm just gonna swim for about 10 minutes or 15 minutes. So hopefully I see some result by the time I jump back in here, okay? So right now, still 0.000. But I am confident that after a while we could see, 1 or 2 sales, hopefully more, okay? Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back to my computer, the left right there. You can see that right there, and I want to see the results. Hopefully we've made some sales. They will make the swim a little bit worthwhile. Let's see. Oh wow, take a look. 58 clicks so far, 42 visitors to the campaign, 6 sales, pretty good. $282 in revenue and $141 in earnings. Guys, that's $141 in total earnings in about 7 to 8 minutes of a swim right there. So all you really need to do is just set up the campaign and boom, it's pretty much ready to go. You just need to set it up once and the campaign does most of the work for you. And I want to show you how you can do this. How you can pretty much set up your own campaign like that. It takes about 10 minutes or less. And then walk away, have the campaign make money for you on complete autopilot passively. If you would like to learn something like that, stay on with this video because I'm going to show you how you yourself can apply this and you can make this happen for yourself.